presents a technology demonstrator developed within the Digital Integrated Manufacturing project, which is funded by the European Union Interreg IV A Nord program. The demonstrator shows the potential of a 5-step method to create a synthetic copy of an organic artifact such as reindeer antlers. The method starts from scanning the artifact and then using a software to translate the point cloud into geometrical information. Thirdly, the geometrical information is improved in terms of fixing the surface quality. Then, a CAD software is used to model parts needed for the assembly of the copy. And lastly, a small-scale version is created in a rapid prototyping machine. Why produce a synthetic copy of reindeer antlers, one might ask? Well, the need for this comes from throwing lasso on reindeer antlers during traditional Sami competitions. One problem is that all reindeer antlers are unique, and therefore some antlers are easier to catch and some are not, creating uneven competitive situations. A standardized antler would mitigate this problem. Of course, you can create a computer model directly from scratch. However, to mimic reality and make it realistic is hard. So therefore, the use of scanning technology is chosen to make the synthetic reindeer antlers look as natural as possible. Nordpolymer AB in Gällivare has been asked to examine the possibility to produce this synthetic copy using their injection molding technology. The difficult part with this is to make the molds that are needed in the manufacturing process. For this, accurate CAD models are needed. The project Digital Integrated Manufacturing has together with Nordpolymer AB targeted this problem and used the following 5-step method to create a small-scale prototype. The first step involves scanning the product. First, the object is mounted in a way that locks its position. Then the optical measurement equipment is mounted and positioned close to the object. The equipment is calibrated carefully, and when the calibration is done, the object is scanned using a hand-operated probe. The scanned data is transferred to a special-purpose software included with the hardware. The software updates the scan points in real time. The beeping sound is audio feedback from the software that gives you information if the scanning is adequate. Some areas may need several scans from different angles to create sufficient data. The software can also be used to examine where additional scanning is needed. In the second step, the scanned data is read in another software, GeoMagic, that analyzes the point cloud and creates surfaces. Some geometrical errors, such as holes and other erroneous surfaces, can also be fixed. During the third step, the surface geometry is further refined and then exported into a step file. In the fourth step, the step file is imported into a CAD software, where the geometry is split up to enable manufacturing. The reindeer antlers are too big to be manufactured in one piece using the injection molding machines of Nordpolymer AB. Therefore, assembly fastening devices are drawn in the CAD software and an assembly is created virtually to evaluate that the parts work together and finally produce the wanted antler shape. A STL file is exported, marking the end of the fourth step. In the fifth and last step, the STL file is imported into a rapid prototyping manufacturing machine.
Man tar CAD-modellen och skivar upp den i ett antal lager. Och sen tillverkas lagren ovanpå varandra ett efter ett. Hela utskriften är en tvätt.
In the end, a synthetic and realistic small-scale reindeer antler have been produced, demonstrating the feasibility of this design and manufacturing method.